Hello and welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. This time I'm going to show you how I sow my viola with Rockiana seeds. Pansy mixed seeds, all different colors. These are the dates that you can plant the seeds. And I don't know how it is in your country, but this is the Netherlands, so it's Europe. In your country it may be different. First of all, I get a big container and a little one. Well, a little smaller, one size smaller than the other one. The big one I'm going to fill up with some soil. I'm using regular soil for this one. You can also use some cocoa peats or whatever you use. I'm gonna fill it up now. Some soil. We're nearly done. Just push it down a bit so it does not make holes when you water it, because it's setting anyway. And I water it already so that the soil can drop down with the water. And another time. And I'm also doing this because I don't have to water the seeds later. And these are the seeds, and I'm going to show you how they look like. They are very tiny, so watch out with wind. These are little brown seeds, as you can see here, very tiny. And I'm just going to spread it all over the container. Just like this, just spreading it around so it's evenly spread. Just a bit more here. And I just let this sit outside, except when it's freezing. Then I take the pot inside. But if it's cold, that doesn't matter. They need the cold to sprout. So that's very important. Let me see if there's anything left in here. Oh yes, a few. Spread it around. Just get all of them seeds in there. Now I'm going to cover this up with a little bit of soil, just a little bit, tiny bit of soil, just a little layer, not too much. Just be very careful with the seeds that are in there. Just push it down a bit, the soil. just like that. And then we have the last step that I'm going to do. That little part needs to be on this one because it needs darkness to sprout. So we cover this up like this. Push it down a bit so it's nice and tight there. Watch out with the wind because it can blow the top container off. And then I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!